2006 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, trailer hitch receiver. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.